Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Fetch, or the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Who knows how to call this? I still call this Fetch. I mean, it's also, well, no, it depends a little bit per exchange and per website what you have to type in to actually find this. But this, all right, ASI, Fetch, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. You all know what I'm talking about. Wanted to cover this because earlier today, and that's no longer really visible right now, but earlier today it was actually one of the strongest altcoins in the markets. And I think both on the longer term, so if we zoom out, which we'll do in this video as well, but also on the short term, I think it's looking quite interesting. And I think today we could actually have some interesting moves, but also in the longer term, I do expect us to get some strong bullish moves. Whether you like ASI or not, I mean, personally, I mean, if we look back at the whole process of merging Ocean, Ajax, and Fetch, I'm not sure if it was a good idea. I'm not sure if these projects altogether are stronger as one than they were separated. There's obviously reasons to do that, but for me it looks more that the reasons behind it were monetary or financial, for financial gain of whomever, the team, market maker, who knows. But personally, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I still do think that altogether they can actually perform quite well. And I also think, I mean, if you zoom all the way out to start with that, and then we'll dive into the technicals here, like this structure is amazing to buy into, right? Because, and we saw like glimpses of that at the end of November, beginning of December, like when this range right here between 1.7 and $1 breaks out, it's going to be a massive breakout. And we also saw last time around, like we had a move of 28% in a matter of days. And this is most likely, in my opinion at least, going to break out. I still think Fetch has an amazing market maker with DWF Labs. I believe they're still launching the mainnet, and they still have to complete that whole second phase of the migration, of the convergence of the projects. So that can still serve as a massive catalyst. And I think when we're talking about the AI narrative, we have seen strength, like Near, Render, BitTensor, they all rallied. But I think if you compare that with the momentum we've seen before with AI and the momentum that I think AI can have for crypto, we see it right now with AI agents, right? So things can go parabolic. So I'm expecting the breakouts on the longer term eventually. At the moment, that's not that interesting, right? Because then we would have to break above 1.7, which at this point of time, 1.7 is still about 24% away from the current price. So yeah, but that's a consolidation. I would say it's most likely after hitting the bottom of the consolidation, we're going up to the top. And I think on the short term, there's actually some interesting developments there. Because what you can see is that since that bearish pressure, the 19th and the 20th of December, we have gotten into some sort of an equilibrium or consolidation between 1.41 cents and this level here at 1.25. And what we saw earlier this morning, and that's also what I meant with that strength from well, among altcoins, is that we actually did gain some momentum, which you can see down here. And that momentum with the volume increase that we're seeing right now of 28%, and just in general volume still ramping up because it's still going up, that combination of volume and open interest means that Fetch has momentum. And then you also have a very clear structure to break out of with this level right here. So personally, I actually do think, and this will depend on the markets, but I think we have a good chance today that we actually do break out. Now, ultimately, I would wait for the breakout itself, all right? So wait for the confirmation, wait for the actual break above, let's say 1.41 cents to happen. Check if everything is still the same. Is the momentum still going up? Is the volume still going up? Then great. And I think we can actually, then this could actually be the breakout and the start of a move into this level at 1.55, 1.6, and 1.65, depending on market strength. So interesting idea for today. Will depend on how the market develops. So that's why I'm telling you, wait for the actual breakout to happen. I would not front run it, but interesting concept. And if we don't break out, then we're fine as well, because then we'll just consolidate for longer, and then eventually, either technically or fundamentally, we'll be able to break out and rally up higher, which I'll keep you updated on. But that's what I think you need to know for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.